Saki coming back with another video, and for today's video we're gonna make a tote bag. So this one is reversible, so would do. And for those new to my channel, I do trip flips and DIYs at least once or twice a week. So if you guys want to be notified, please subscribe and click the notification bell down below. So what I recommend you guys use for this is a fabric that is thick enough. Don't use like the flimsy soft fabric. So this should be at least like a denim type of fabric or like a canvas fabric.
So for the tote body, you will need 16 by 40 inches. For the pocket partition, you will need 16 by 32 inches. This is optional if you don't want the pocket partition. For lining, you will need 2 pieces of 2 by 16 inches. For the back handle, you will need 2 pieces of 4 by 28 inches. Next, you will need a contrasting fabric. You will need 2 pieces of 2 by 5 inches, 4 pieces of 2 by 16 inches, 2 pieces of 2 by 17 inches. So for the 16 inches fabric, you'll need to make a bias tape out of it. So to do that, you have to sandwich the raw edges inside the fabric by ironing it. You will need to do the same for the 5-inch and 17-inch fabric. The difference is you need to fold the end by ½ inch. So you have 8 pieces of bias tape. Next, take your 16-inch main fabric and bias tape and you sandwich one of the end of the main fabric as shown in the video. Then just top stitch on the bottom of the bias tape. Next, take your 28-inch fabric for the bag handle and make a bias tape out of it by ironing it. Then just top stitch the top and the bottom of the fabric. And this is how it should look like. Take your main tote body fabric and then fold it crosswise and then fold it again lengthwise. Then mark the side as shown on the video by 2-inch high and 2.5-inch wide. Then just cut it. And it should look like this. And you should do the same on the pocket partition as well. Take your main body fabric and measure around 4.5 inches from the side to mark where your back handle will be placed. Then just take your 16-inch fabric lining and then place that on top of the bag handle. Mark it by pins to secure its place. Then just do a straight stitch, and on the bulky areas make sure you stitch as low as possible to avoid breaking your needle. Then this is how it should look like. Then just open it and iron it to make it flat. Then just flip the fabric and then fold the lining and iron it. Then stop stitch a straight stitch on the top and on the bottom of the bias tape. Do this process on the other side as well, and this is how it should look like. Then next, get your pocket partition fabric and get your 16-inch bias tape and just sandwich it on the edge of the fabric. Then just sew straight stitch on the bottom and top of the bias tape. Take the main tote body fabric and the pocket partition and lay it on top of each other. Secure it by placing pins on the side. Then take the middle of the fabric and then fold it. Then sew a straight stitch on the side to secure its place. 17-inch bias tape fabric and then sandwich the side. Pin to secure its place. Then this is how it should look like, and then just sew a straight stitch on the side. Then this is how it should look like. Then just open the square flat like this and secure it with pins. This is the bulkiest part of the fabric, so make sure you stitch as low as possible to avoid breaking your needle. Then just trim the edge of the fabric to make it even. Then just take your 5-inch bias tape with folded edge and sandwich it like this and pin it to secure the place and just sew a straight stitch.
thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.